Good morning. Happy Pride. I'm just making a little video to show a possible solution if you have a Lexicon Vortex that has fucked up pots. This is the one I fixed. It took 2 tries actually. I fixed it like a year ago with copious amounts of contact cleaner in all the controls and resoldering some of the pads for the encoders, but it came back because one of them wasn't working. So I redid it, and this is what I found. Okay, first of all, showing off. Okay, look at that, it counts. Yeah, it counts, and then it switches correctly. Yay. It's got a little tiny relay, the little blue guy. Nice. Okay, so let me put it down. This is one of the pots that I took, or one of the encoders, right, that I took out. You could see that. Okay. I took it all the way apart. There's these 4 little tabs on here that you can take out. You could bend out and take the thing apart. There's a couple of different contacts in there. And the other one that does, you know what? Get down there. Get down there. Where's my block of wood? Where's my block of wood? Save me. Block of wood? It's genuinely disturbing to me that I can't find my block of wood. That's okay. That's okay. It's metal. Wait. I'm sorry, okay. It's impromptu. I got this book, Switching Power Converters. It's more complicated than I thought it was going to be. Okay, you can see that now. All right. So I took it apart. You can even see where I melted it. You can see where I melted it. Yeah, you see where I melted it. Didn't work out. Okay, so it got all bent up in there, and this one doesn't work, but the other one does. So I took that one out, put that one in there. So one of them worked now, and then the other one didn't, which isn't, ideal, right? And then I did some research, and let me see where this part was actually from. Some guy posted on some forum about some part that worked for it. It was from some Yamaha or Ibanez, some shit. Let's see. It was whatever. It's a rotary encoder, 16D10 6001001. I'll put all the shit in the description too. Anyway, this is what it looks like. It's like slightly different. This is the new one. It's slightly different. See, it's a different color, and it feels a little bit heavier, and it's definitely a newer construction, and it's more robust. Anyway, I got 2 of them, put one of them in there to replace the one that was bad. I had to redo the resoldering of the sockets because the pads on here are really annoying. I think there's 2 ground plane pads on the middle. This is all way too much detail. All that is to say, unobtainium part. It's a weird ass encoder. It uses like reverse. What was it? It was like, yeah, reverse hexadecimal something, to the point where when people replace it, they use a microcontroller. I'm not doing that shit. I'm going to find something. I'm going to put it in there, and I did. So I'll put all the information that I could possibly imagine being useful to somebody trying to fix this in the description. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. These units are beautiful. I'm going to play with it now. And it's really hard to fix them without the part because it's fucked up and weird. So, good luck.